and ladies, mine is just by way of announcement, not even something of a fake approval at all. Yesterday, you are all aware, even attended the visit of the German Chancellor to the president, to our president. Of course, the German Chancellor came in to strengthen bilateral relations between our countries, our two countries, Nigeria and Germany. Now, for quite a while, my ministry has been talking to some highly technical companies in Germany. And since the visit of the German Chancellor yesterday underscored the importance of strengthening bilateral relations, especially socio-economic bilateral relations, I'm happy to announce that the Ministry of Solid Minerals broke a landmark record of signing an MOU with one of the top-notch technology, geoscientific technology companies in the world, which is GeoScan GmbH. It's a German company. And the company was also in the delegation of the German Chancellor yesterday, and the MOU was signed yesterday through the SMDF, that's the Solid Minerals Development Fund. And now, the significance of this epochal event is that this company has the latest top-of-the-line technology. It's a proprietary technology for exploration. It means that it can see deep down up to 10,000 meters for the mineral deposits that are available. And if you are vast in the space of solid minerals, you know that it's exploration, exploitation, and extraction, and the processes. You will know that exploration is an expensive business. Even the gathering of geodata is very, very expensive. Now, this particular technology, which is top-notch, like I said, is 80% cheaper than current processes in the world. It's 3 times faster to locate deposits down underground. And so, with our own mineral deposit that we've conservatively estimated about $700 billion under the ground that we are scrambling to exploit judiciously, we still have, we constitute about 0.02% of the global mining budget. And with this $700 billion estimation of our solid minerals deposit, we still have over 90% of the entire landscape of Nigeria unexplored. And because it's an expensive business, that underscores the significance of the landmark that we recorded yesterday with the GeoScan GmbH, supported also by the German Chancellor, supported by our President, and I'm happy to tell you that no kobo commitment on the part of Nigeria. The company will come and establish its technology, its plant here, and move around the country, enable us to further explore all the other mineral deposits that we have. At the end of the day, we cannot even begin to put a figure on the amount of resources, solid mineral resources that we have in Nigeria. Lithium, for instance, like I said yesterday, critical minerals, which are called critical metals in international mineral financial space, they are in abundance in Nigeria. And right now, the global trend is the clamor for climate change, green transition to green energy, clean energy. Now, these critical resources that we have in terms of solid minerals are also very significant in the production or manufacturing of electric vehicles, batteries, electronic components, all kinds of top-notch technological equipment in today's world. And we have these things. So, gentlemen and ladies, the MOU we signed with GeoScan GmbH yesterday is to advance the cause of our solid minerals exploration, exploitation, and judicious expenditure of the accruing revenue to the purse of the federal government. And this will significantly move us forward in achieving the renewed hope agenda of making solid minerals to become the next petroleum of Nigeria and contributing most significantly to the gross domestic product. Thank you. Technology in exploration, which, like I said, makes the business of exploration 80% cheaper than the current trend in global market. That's one. That essentially means even if we are going to explore ourselves using their technology without this MOU, we'll be paying 80% cheaper than what we currently pay for exploration. That's an aspect. Your question is, what is their gain? Their gain is when they come and they avail us of this technology, and we would have saved enormous amount of resources that ordinarily would be expended on exploration. Right now, companies that are being given license don't even have that added advantage, and they get licensed. So, after they have discovered more mineral deposit for us, we can then grant them a license to mine. In any case, we are granting licenses to miners right now with no added value of such that this GeoScan is bringing to the table. So it's a win-win situation when you look at it on all sides. And the other issue with relation to bitumen, yes, I've had these questions asked a number of times that, oh, the Minister of Works said this about cement, what's going to happen to bitumen and all that. I don't see any conflict at all. Even currently, when we use bitumen for like 80% of macadamized roads in Nigeria, there are still some terrain that you know that they are so soggy, they are so mashy, that bitumen is not the best for such terrain. And you use concrete, or you use interlocking stones. And interlocking stones is concrete, in a sense. So there's no conflict at all. Both will go pari passu. Thank you.